Hey, what is good on YouTube? Welcome back to Team VRY, and for this one I just want to show you a quick overview of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, which comes with the new cream colorway. Now we do have it here with us, and big shout out to Xiaomi for sending this over, and yeah, let's take a look. Right, so the biggest difference with this colorway is that it does come with almost white leather straps, and they do have that additional attachment that you'll need to clip onto the watch. Now the Smart Band 9 Pro was launched a while back, and other than the new color, it does come with pretty much the same design, which is relatively compact, especially when compared to the Redmi Watch 5. Of course, there's the 1.74-inch AMOLED touchscreen that's reasonably bright, and there's also 580mm water resistance for a bit of added protection against occasional rain and maybe some accidental splashes. Now, of course, this design means that you're still not getting a physical button, which is an interesting, albeit strange omission on the Smart Band 9 Pro. So if you're gonna get this one, you can only wake up the device by tilting your wrist upwards or by tapping on the touchscreen. If the watch does drain completely, the only way that you can turn it on is if you connect it to the charger. And while a lot of other fitness trackers out there don't come with physical buttons, they do come with capacitive keys on the front or something to that effect. So yeah. Now, of course, if you're gonna get the Smart Band 9 Pro, it does excel when it comes to battery life. There's a 350 mAh battery inside the wearable, and Xiaomi says that it can last for up to 21 days on a single charge. So you're just gonna have to charge it once a month, but this will of course depend on how you're gonna use the device. If you're gonna use it for a lot of workouts and such, then it's gonna drain a bit quicker. But yeah, compared to most other smart wearables such as Wear OS devices and even Apple Watch devices, this is certainly going to outlast most of them. With that said though, you're not getting Wear OS on this one, so it's a bit limited in terms of software. You do get Xiaomi HyperOS instead, so if you do own a Xiaomi or a Redmi or a Poco phone, it's going to be a perfect match for that device. And there's your usual suite of fitness tracking features such as step counts, sleep tracking, blood oxygen and heart rate tracking, and of course, more than 150 different sports modes. And while I did mention that it works best with Xiaomi devices, it will work generally with any other Android device out there. And it's also compatible with iOS devices, so if you have an iPhone and you want to use this instead of an Apple Watch, maybe for the much better battery life, then it's going to work with your iOS device. Probably the best thing about the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro though is the price. So when converted to US dollars, it's going to cost around 75 bucks, which is relatively affordable, especially considering what you're getting with the device, such as the aluminum design, the large OLED touchscreen, as well as the excellent battery life. And yeah, if you want a white leather strap to go with this watch, then of course we have this new colorway here. Alright guys, so that does it for this quick video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you going to get the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro? And yeah. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.